Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Today we'll be looking at gold, the gold chart. In front of us, we have the daily chart of gold, and as you can see, it is drifting down a bit. Previously, it was in a very nice daily uptrend. That's because it was above the daily 20 MA, the rising 50 MA, and rising 200 MA, which is why from the period here to around here, it had a very nice run up. But after that, it dropped below the 50 MA, and the 20 MA dropped below the 50 MA. Now it had a bearish cross, and when you have the price of gold below the 20 and 50 MA, it's not very conducive environment for daily longs. Now, gold actually broke out of this ascending triangle type of pattern. Now, if you know the ascending triangle type of pattern very well, the top of the pattern can actually be a support area, and which is why you see that gold actually found support around here, and it is meandering around the top of this daily ascending triangle. Because the 20 MA and the 20 MA is below the 50 MA, it's not a very conducive environment right now to long stocks from a daily chart point of view. And because there's some support here, it is also not very conducive to short the stock, because the movement is limited to the downside. Maybe it might drop to around here, and then maybe it might find support at the rising 200 MA. Now, just a disclaimer, I'm not very familiar with gold. First of all, I don't trade it, and my analysis are not as not as accurate as the S&P 500, because, well, I look at the S&P 500 every day, but for gold maybe once in a long time. So I don't have that instinct, that instinct that comes with a lot of experience looking at it. So my analysis is based on trends and market stages, but what we can see is that right now is not a very good time to long gold from daily point of view, and you want to short it also. There's quite some support here that may hinder your short trade. Now, what you might want to do is to see if gold can break back above this daily downtrend line, go back above the 20 MA and 50 MA, with the 20 MA above the 50 MA, then it will be more conducive. But until then, as long as the Dow is doing very well, I don't think gold will be performing that well either in the short term, because when the risk on, the market participants are risk on, they want to play the Dow and S&P is going up, people are not going to look at gold as a safe haven or hedge that much when the markets are going up. So I think right now, best not to do anything with gold, either the long side or short side. Now let's take a look at the 60-minute chart of the gold. Well, I don't really know what to say about it, except that it doesn't make sense to me at this moment. Perhaps if it can break above this downtrend line and let's see, maybe in a small little ascending triangle type of pattern here, if it can break above this downtrend line, above this 60-minute ascending triangle, it might go up all the way here. Maybe there's a double bottom here, so possible short-term movement up to here. But if it drops below this uptrend line of the ascending triangle, it might go lower, and if it drops below this area 14512 area, it might go lower. So I hope this analysis helps you a bit. If you find it helpful, do press the like button and subscribe for more future analysis, and I'll see you in the next one.